Hey, what's up guys? That's me. I'm Marcos. This is my story. This channel is about me living the life I want to live, spending my time working on what I want, specifically building cars with family and friends. That yellow jungle gym is my 1974 Plymouth Duster 360, a gift from my uncle when I was a teenager. I've never seen it run. My father and I worked on it together to strip it down when I was young, but life happens and the project stalled. Unfortunately, my dad passed 5 years ago, and we didn't get to finish any car projects together. Life is unpredictable. I decided I wasn't going to wait any longer to do the projects I wanted to do, starting with the Duster. This is my first project car. I'm not a mechanic, just a regular guy who wanted to get into working on cars. This channel is my vlog, sharing my experiences as a new car guy, showing off things that I've built, mistakes that I've made, things I learned, and just anything car related that I think is cool. The channel's not about building something perfect. It's about building something myself with the help of family and friends. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate all the support, recommendations, and comments from subscribers. Overall, 2020 was a rough year, but I feel great about the progress on the Duster, all the things that I learned, and the quality time spent with family. "2021 will be even better. We're going to get the Duster to be lean and mean, and we'll start another project car as well. Subscribe to follow along. Thanks again for all the support, and have a happy new year."